In order to be successful on an assignment, it is important for you to understand how you will be graded. What you see here is a copy of the rubric that I will be using to score each of your formal writing assignments to indicate to you the points that you've earned and also to give you some feedback on that assignment. You'll see that there are 4 categories listed for the paragraph grading. The first category is right here at the top, and it's based on your topic sentence and concluding sentence. When I grade for those 2 parts of your paragraph, that will be worth 10 points, 5 points for your topic sentence, 5 points for the concluding sentence. I will be looking that you've done all of the things that you need to do in those 2 parts of your paragraph. Identifying a clear specific topic, having an attitude, and then of course summarizing and restating your topic sentence there at the end of every paragraph. The next category on your rubric here is called Unity and Support, and it will be worth 15 points. This is the section where I'm grading to look to see how well you have developed the content and the ideas of your paragraph. Remember that all of the details and support that you include in your paragraph are supposed to develop the attitude that you have identified. So that's really what I'm looking for. Have you provided clear examples and details? Remember, think show, don't tell. I want you to be showing your reader what it is that you're trying to explain, not just telling us straight out. And then of course, finally making sure that everything that you have included should be there so that you do not have any extra or unrelated sentences in your paragraph. Coherence right here is the next category. It will be worth 10 points. This is where I am looking to see that you have followed the organizational requirements of the assignment. We have practiced outlining a lot. We've made it very clear that you will have a 1AB, 2AB, 3AB. That's what I'll be looking for when I grade this section on the rubric. I am also looking for those transition words. Those are your road signals that you include in your paragraph to help direct the reader through each of your points, connecting them and guiding the reader from the start through to the finish of your paragraph. The final section that I'm grading for are your sentence skills. That will be worth 15 points down here at the bottom. These are your this is grading at the sentence level error, or at the sentence level for errors. So what that means is that I'm looking to see that your sentences are grammatically correct, that you've used proper punctuation, spelling, and then of course format. And those are the format guidelines that we've gone over in class as far as your name and date and course information, margins, etc., double spacing. All of this totals 50 points, so every time you write a formal paragraph for me in this class, it will be out of 50 points. When I return this rubric to you, I will indicate on this side of the rubric the points that you earned for each of these 4 categories. Additionally, I may write a few short comments here, and I usually will write a few short comments directly on your paragraph to point and highlight the things that you did successfully and the areas where you need to continue working to improve.